Welcome to the tutorial on how to issue credentials on the POC platform. In this video, we will learn step by step how to carry out this process effectively. Step 1. Selection of cargo type. First, we will select the type of cargo we need. In this case, we opt for bulk cargo to be able to send multiple credentials simultaneously. Step 2. Choose design. Next, we will select the credential design we want to issue. It is important to remember that this design can be chosen from those provided by POC or those created by the institution. Step 3. Certificate information. At this stage, we will enter the relevant information that will appear on our credentials, such as the name of the institution, the title to be awarded, and the issuance date. Also included, if added, are custom attributes incorporated into the design. It is important to ensure that this information is accurate and entered correctly. Step 4. Selection of certificate type. Now we will choose between the options of paid or free certificates. The paid option has the advantage of converting your credential into an NFT on the blockchain. Payment is the responsibility of the institution in the monthly billing cycle. The second option, the credential is free forever, with the difference being that it is a Web2 credential that is not sent to the blockchain. For this example, we opt for the paid certificate. Step 5. Loading recipient data. It's time to load the data of the credential recipients. We must download the example file provided and customize it according to the attributes required for your credential, then complete by loading the recipient data. Tips. Keep in mind, the CSV or XLS file should contain the following information and format. Respect the names of the listed columns. Do not load blank rows or columns. Respect the information and date of the credential recipients. Do not use periods or comma. Step 6. Choose email language. In this option, you can choose the language between Spanish, English, or Portuguese, in which your emails will be sent to the credential recipients. Step 7. Preview and certificate issuance. After loading the data, you will have the opportunity to preview the credential before issuing it definitively. If you have administrator user permissions, you will have access to additional options such as Do Not Send, Load for Later, and Send. On the other hand, if you have operator user permissions, you will only have the options Do Not Send and Load for Later. It is important to note that only the user with an administrator role can confirm all credential shipments scheduled for load for later. Meanwhile, the operator user can only send those scheduled by themselves, not those of other operator or administrator users. Step 8. Tracking in the listings section. If we select the Load for Later option, we can view our pending shipment in the listings section under the Drafts column. Here you can view the credential, reject or approve it for sending. Keep in mind, if you have an operator user, you can only reject those created by the operator themselves and cannot send them. If you have an administrator user, you can reject, including those created by the operator, and send all scheduled shipments. If you choose the Send option immediately, in the listings section under the Sent column, you can view your sent load. Here you will have the options to preview the sent credential and also resend the acceptance email to the recipients. Congratulations! Now you have all the necessary tools to issue credentials efficiently and without complications on the POC platform. May your credentials always be a symbol of achievement and excellence. Thank you for choosing us, and see you soon.